Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly chart here, we are looking at our 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 impulse toward the upside. This is your linear chart, of course, and of course in the blue count we are looking to finish this wave 3 toward the upside as well, and finishing it on the logarithmic chart here at the 1.618, 37,600. In this case scenario, of course, we are looking at after it, of course, for a wave 4 and a 5 continuation toward the upside. Of course, we're gonna see how much this wave 4 is gonna be deep sooner or later, but I don't think it's gonna be coming back to this area. However, we're gonna see how this is gonna unfold. Now, currently, we are looking at a wave 5 in the yellow count, where you have finished probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this might play, of course, as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for higher prices. Probably it can end up in an ending diagonal as well. Very possible to hit the 1.618, which is the most common target taken from the wave 1 to the wave 2. As a wave 3 here, target would be a perfect 37,600. Now let's take a closer look at the daily. On the daily, we can see today some red a little bit again. So as you can know, yesterday we saw, of course, a price action inside this triangle. Inside this triangle, we would like to see, of course, like an A, B, C, D, and an E probably finished. Let's move even a little bit closer with the 4-hour chart. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, right? Finished wave E. Probably after a finished wave E here, you would like to see a move towards the downside, meaning this is turning at kind of like a wave A, and then triangle for your wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave C. Impulse toward the downside. Probably 1 to 1 fib level is a target for this scenario, where you would like to hit a 20,370. This is your bearish scenario, of course, only in case we are moving still towards the downside. We're gonna see how this is gonna unfold. However, if we have finished our correction here, which is also possible in your bullish scenario, you might face here, probably it is like an impulse here. You have to read it as a wave 1, and probably your wave 2 is shifting still in W, X, and Y. Meaning your wave 2 normally, I mean, it should not take so much time like this, but however, especially with a very, very sharp wave here, probably you are looking as well to a kind of W and then X and probably a wave Y. So your wave Y, it can be a flat, it can be a zigzag, or it can be even a triangle. So yeah, it's a long range, and this is gonna be a very long wave 1, 2 in case we are looking for higher. But yeah, also like limit the opportunity for bullish scenario with a big wave 2 here, right? I mean, how much is gonna take time? And this range is becoming, of course, very, very long in time. So it becomes somehow, very, very sideways, very complex structure as WXY probably here. Basically I feel like, this, it is still looking for a little bit lower, especially that we didn't break this triangle yet. I mean, we broke it with this vertical one, but invalidation of this triangle, of course, for wave E is to take the high here, taking this price. So I would say from here, higher possibility for bullish, okay? If we take this high, it can give higher possibility for the bullish, yes, because if we don't move towards the downside directly now after the wave E here, A, B, C, D, E, well, the possibilities start, of course, to get higher for the bullish, because if you take this high here, which is the price label here is 21,840, if we take this price, I would say, okay, we are ready to move up again for bullish scenario and probably to hit higher prices. We have, of course, some targets here in case we are in a 1, 2 as given before here. Your wave 1, 2, okay, your wave 2 can vary, but yeah, it can be 23,000. That would be a perfect target for your wave 3 for your bullish scenario. So it might come, of course, as a 1, 2 or as a 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and a 5. Or in case we are in bearish scenario, you're looking at an WXY, probably because of the choppiness here that we are looking at. But yeah, it can turn into an A and then B for a triangle, and of course a wave C toward the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, impulsive or ending diagonal can also be very possible. Target for bearish is 20,300. Under the 21,840, I would call always still a bearish scenario. Breaking this high, the possibilities start to get higher for the bullish. Meaning, of course, you still have a possible scenario where you will, of course, get an expanding flat here with a wave B probably here, and then moving towards the downside, A, B, and a C as an expanding flat. But yeah, the possibilities start to get higher for the bullish, especially with the time required for this correction already here. Meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, it should be finished already, because your wave 2 here time has already doubled in your wave 4. You are looking for this wave 5 to be finished soon or later, and I think it is soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.